Dear student, today we are going to discussing the key feature of Indian Constitution. There are five major there are five major key feature of Indian Constitution. Just first have a look. First one is federalism. Second one is the parliamentary form of government. Then separation of power, then fundamental right, and then secularism. These are five major key feature of Indian Constitution. Now, today we are going to discuss first three key feature of Indian government in detail. Number one is federalism. In federalism, there are three level of government: states, center, local. The state, the central government is working for the whole country, looking in one government here and state. Here we president and prime minister who look after the countries, and then center and state there are governor and chief minister look after the peoples, and then local government highlighting the panchayat raj system, that is center, state, local government. We call this type of government is federalism. The second one major key feature of Indian government is parliamentary form of government. In parliamentary form of government, there is election. Number one, election. Number two, universal adult franchise, and third one is selection of representative. Election, number one is election is conducting after every 5 years for the purpose of representative, and how the election can be possible with the principle of universal adult features. Number second, universal adult features franchise. In a country, all the citizen well attained the age of 18 years, irrespective of their gender, their religion, their caste, their languages, their literacy, for the financial background phenomena is called universal adult franchise. This is the important point under parliamentary form of government. And after universal adult franchise, we have selection representation. Number third, selection of representation. Selection of representation, and there these representative represent the people to the parliament. That is the key feature of Indian Constitution. Number third major key feature of Indian government is separation of power. Now, the third important key feature of Indian Constitution, separation of power. Now is separation power. There are three organs of government: legislative, executive, judiciary. How separation of power? Three organs of power. Number one, legislative. Legislative is the law making body. This legislative are the various members of parliament. The members of state is list, and this legislative make the law of the country. When the law has been made, now only making the law is not enough. That is the number one is executive. Executive are the responsible for the implementation of various law made by legislature. It's the duty of the executive and is the responsible for the implementation of various law made by legislature. Third one is judiciary. Judiciary is that organ of government which provide justice to the people. At the Supreme Court, the High Court, and local court are coming. Now these things government does not interfere to each other. The judiciary has the power to see where the law made by legislature is legal or not to something, or it is the benefit of the whole country or not. It is the duty of judiciary. Thank you, dear student. Tomorrow, inshallah, we will discuss rest of two major concept of Indian Constitution. Key feature of Indian Constitution: fundamental right and secularism. Thank you.